Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much that you clicked on this video to watch today's video. So today's video we are going to unbox AirPods together. Just my previous video that I uploaded, I told you guys that I am going to unbox my AirPod with you because I ordered it and it hasn't arrived yet. Guess what? It has arrived right now. You can see I've been looking at this side. This is my AirPod that I got from China at this price. So join me, let's unbox it. Let's know how the packaging is and everything. And the good news is that I bought an accessory. So far I haven't seen anyone with this accessory before. I bought an accessory for my AirPod and I'm going to rock it. I'm really going to rock it. So let's get it and unbox this together. They intentionally covered the color. They know what they did. They know the reason why they covered the color. So let's open this. Since I got this, I said no, I'm not going to unbox it without my YouTube family. So today, the day has come for me to unbox this together. So let's go in the video. I love blue, so I chose blue. They gave me white. So unfair. So it comes with a manual right here and a cable for charging. Oh, it's nice. It's not white, it's cream. I'm so happy. This is so nice. This is so beautiful. Okay, now let's open it. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Look, guys, you see that? Oh, this is so nice. Can you see? Can you? My AirPod. And in no time, I'm going to show you the accessories that I bought to pair it. I haven't seen anyone with this accessories, like no one. So I'll be the only person with the accessory. I love it. Hey, how do they wear this? Oh, just imagine. Oh my god. Forgive me for my acne, okay? Yes. So this is the AirPod that I ordered and it is so nice, and this is the price that I got from China, and you can plug it in here. It is type C plug-in, and you can see the case is so gorgeous. Okay, let me put this here. Now let's talk about the AirPod. Okay, and let me show you the accessory I've been talking about. So let me take this off. Oh, this is so cute. I can literally see my face in it. Ooh, that's so beautiful. This is it. Like, when I say it's beautiful, do you understand what I mean by it's beautiful? Like, it's so gorgeous and it's very tiny. Now it's time for me to show you the accessory. This is the accessory that I got, and I bought the accessory separately, okay? And now let's fit the accessory to the airport and check it how it will look. This is the price of the accessory. Okay, so I would open it. I don't know if you guys can see it, so I can close it and I can open it. I can close it and I can open it. So I'll fix it here. That's on my AirPod. Because I'm on camera, I have to act cool. Okay, so this is it. I love it. Is this camera focusing well? Because it's so nice. I want to show you guys. It's that. Oh, this camera. Can you see that, guys? And it shines. How I wish you can see it. I just wish you can see it. Guys, can you see? Oh, so beautiful. Just imagine with a blue color. It would have been so perfect. But though this isn't bad. Then I fix this. This is my first time wearing something like this, like using AirPod like this, so how to adapt with it. How is it? Guys, I have a mirror here. Please pardon me for this moment. Let me get a mirror, okay? Oof. So now let's face the other one as well. Let's open it from here. Okay, so I am opening it. Oh, can you see this? Yes. And now it is open. You see that? Yeah. Now I'll fix it in this and I'll put it on. Hello. This thing has open. Oh. I think the AirPod, this one is rubber, okay? So I don't think it's going to break off easily. Yeah. Hey. Have mirror here. What am I? I don't even know how to wear this thing. No. Oh, it's like I'm wearing earring. Is it like this? I don't know. Does it look nice? I thought this thing was going to be here. Like this. Guys, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Now let me face the other part. Hey, no. And the sound. Well, beautiful. Yeah, so this is the airpod, and the sound it's so clear and very loud. So I'm going to read the manual that the airpod came with to understand how to use this airpod. Should I read together with you? No, that's going to cost a lot of your time. Okay, I'll learn how to use this, and with the sound it's a top notch. Like I think I tapped somewhere and it started saying power on. How to remove it and know how to go with this. My new airpod. I love it. Imagine I'm playing something like this song. I don't know the artist's name, but this is the artist's name, and the song is "I am the luckiest girl in the world." Oof, it's almost fell off. Let me stop being this drama. Yeah, so this is the airpod. This is the unboxing, and I really love everything, and I really love it so much. So if you watch this video, I've got myself that I'm even filming. I'm too playful, right? Sorry guys, but don't you like it? Let me know in the comment section if I should keep on being myself, or I should consider other people's feeling and stop being too playful and dramatic. On the second thought, I'm like, are you serious with me? Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you love this video as much, just like I'm so happy here that my AirPods are, yes, I am so happy. Let me remove the accessories and see how it will look without the accessory. So this is without the accessory. This is so nice, and I so much love it. So thank you so much for watching the video to this part, and I really appreciate you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, be part of this amazing, beautiful, confident, positive vibes community, Ganiva Edge community. Subscribe to be part of the community. This channel is about business tips, especially in mini importation, personal development in all aspects of our life, like self-awareness, goal planning, emotional intelligence, organizing as an individual, organization, and positivity. Everything that would help us to level up in life, develop ourselves to be the best version of ourselves. This channel is about that, so do well to subscribe to the channel. The channel too is about lifestyle as well. Okay, we talked personal things. I share my personal things with you. I vlog and good stuff. Yes, so do want to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't and you're still watching me to this part of the video. Like I've been shaking my head. It's like I want to show my AirPod. Yeah, so I'll end the video here. And I forgot, let me add this before I end the video. You see this AirPod? I saw an advert that Priscilla Ojo in Nigeria, a Nigerian celebrity, did for ITEL, and I said no, I want this AirPod, but I'm not going to buy that expensive AirPod from ITEL. Well, it might not be expensive for you, but comparing it to this, it's expensive, and someone will still go for that because it's cheaper or it's affordable for them. But for me, I chose this because this is cheaper and affordable for me. So everyone is unique with their perspective and with their choices. Okay, so when I say Itel is expensive, I hope you get me. So when I saw that advert that she did for Itel, I said, I'm getting this. So I took a screenshot of it, went to 1688, searched, and I got it. I even got one that have a screen here that you can pause your music when you are listening, or you can play next when you are listening to the music, but I couldn't afford that. I couldn't afford that. As I told you, I bought this because I can afford this. At this stage of my life, don't be spending too much that you would regret later. If you only regret later, don't spend too much. If you spend too much and you won't regret, then spend too much. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll end the video here. I'll be talking a lot. If you leave me, I can talk the whole day. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I love you for doing that, and don't forget to like this video. I also have an importation course that I teach people how to import from China, especially on 1688. I have a Telegram group that you can join, and I have videos there, that practical videos that I'll do it and you follow my step. And I have theory aspects as well in the Telegram group. That's the page that you would join to learn everything about mini importation. I also have a WhatsApp group that you can join the community of those that are already importers that I taught them. So do well to check the description box to get access to this mini importation course. And you are also going to get 3-month free mentorship from me. You are going to get one-on-one interaction sections from me. So do well to purchase this mini importation course so that you get access to all these benefits plus this. Yes, and I also have other courses. You can check my Seller store to purchase other courses that I took time and knowledge to into that course just for you all. So thank you so much for watching the video. I am so happy with my airpod right here. I know some will be like, you have acne, why are you still making videos? Are you not shy? No. Confidence, girl. That's what the channel is about. You don't have confidence, subscribe. Yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll end the video here. I love you all. Be part of this community. If you really watch this, and let me know in the comments section. Just tell me, Ganiva, I watched the last part, and so that I can say you heart emojis. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.